In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a Jeep Wrangler half-door seal located on the door. So this procedure is the same whether it's the passenger side or the driver's side. First thing we're going to do is take the half shield off, the plastic vinyl, and you just simply lift up the 3 pegs and set it aside. So the door seal is changeable on the vehicle, but it's so much easier to take the door off and put it on some place that's safe. Now remove the nylon door chuck, slide it right off. That just stops it from swinging wide open. Then you have 2 hinges. You'll notice one on the top, one on the bottom. Just grab your door and pull up. So we're going to take the plastic panel off because see the edging of the seal? It does connect underneath the plastic here, and I don't want to tear the old one or try to tear the new one. So just easily take your plastic cover off. The first 2 spots I'm going to take are these plastic tabs that hold the window arms in. Just twist and pull. There's one there and one here. There we go. Set it aside. Lay it back down. And now we have all Phillips screws. So they're metal screws going all the way around the door panel. We'll start in the center and move out. Set them aside. Follow you down here. There's 2 on the bottom. Now we're going to take our trim tool and pop the actual trim up. And then take it off. So now that with the cover off, you can see how this would have been covered right here. So we'll take a trim tool and we're going to pop this little plastic piece off. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers too. Just a long piece of plastic tab. And then we're going to follow it all the way around with our trim tool and start undoing the clips. If it's more than likely it's going to rip from the rubber, that's pretty common. So we'll go back and get the ones that don't come out because the new seal comes with new hardware. You can see how the seal's getting old. There's tears in it. Right there. And here's our last big tab. Let's slide that out. Now grab your seal and discard it. So while we're here, I'm just going to start on this side. The first tab is that red one. Goes right in that hole. You'll hear it click. There we go. Set that right there. Put this clip in. So you can see there's a slant to this. So you want to make sure you put it in the right way. You can see the slant, you want to put it in the right way. There we go. So the slant is towards the glass. Now we're going to follow the seal around and put each clip in the existing spot. Push down in the center till you hear it, feel it, or hear it click. Two clips left. See this trim goes right in there. See it came with the new hardware. That one's broken off. It's the old one. I'm going to line up that red, push it in. And I'm going to bring this one around, line this one up. So now we can place our cover back down, line up the body trim pieces and just push down. You hear it click. And now we'll place our screws. I'm going to go to the center one first. They're all the same length. I'm just going to start them. Make sure they're centered. And then I'll go around before I tighten everything up. There's one here and then two on the bottom. Snug them all up. So now we're going to put the window guides in, and as you can see right here, they have an angle to them. And you want that angle to go towards the inside of the door. So basically just guide it in like that, and those clips will push right in. And it locks down. There we go. There's the last two right here. Now we can install the door. Now we're going to put our door pins, line them up. And the door will just drop right down in. Now we can line up our nylon door chuck. Line it right up, put the loops right over that little pole, and slide it down. Now we're going to put our vinyl window in. You're going to line up those three little pins. First one goes in closest to the door jamb. Once they're all lined up, push down evenly, and then you can shut the door. See how that seal works? Good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.